Hi, this is Laura with WTI. Are you looking to add some classy whiskey glasses to your at-home bar? Then you need to check out the set. I'm really loving having this set of whiskey glasses from LUXU. I like that there are so many different options that you can choose from and different styles of glass as well. Something I liked about this set in particular is that it comes with a set of 6. So it's perfect for having friends and family over for a night of fun. Something else that I really liked about this is the design of the look is so nice and classy. Another feature that I like as well is the weight of the glass is not flimsy at all. As you can see, I was able to muddle some strawberries in here and I didn't worry about it breaking at all. It is the perfect size for the perfect cocktail. Definitely something that you want to have for your at-home bar and have a nice drink at the end of a long day. I've really enjoyed using these set of glasses. You won't be disappointed in it, and that's my point of view.